Ever landed in Tokyo only to realize half the things in your suitcase are useless, and the items you really need are sitting back home? Japan is one of the most amazing travel destinations, but packing mistakes can make or break your trip. Hi, welcome back to Stories of Japan. Today, we'll break down the ultimate Japan packing guide for 2025. What you absolutely need, what you can skip, and the small but crucial items that save money, time, and stress. We'll cover clothing choices that fit Japan's culture, tech essentials for long days exploring, the surprising items you should leave at home, and a few bonus tips from frequent travelers. Stick with me until the end, and you'll have a clear, stress-free checklist before boarding your flight. Number 1. Pack modest but breathable clothing. Clothing in Japan is about comfort and subtlety. While Tokyo's Harajuku district celebrates wild street fashion, the everyday reality in cities like Kyoto, Osaka, and Fukuoka is much more modest. Many first-time visitors report feeling they underdressed in Tokyo or other big cities. Smart casual or modest outfits tend to help blend in better. Instead of tank tops or tiny denim shorts, bring lightweight fabrics such as linen or cotton. A pair of versatile trousers, midi skirts, or high-neck summer dresses will keep you comfortable in Japan's humid summers while still respectful. Long sleeves and thin fabrics are especially handy because many restaurants and trains set air conditioners very low. A personal example: when I visited Kyoto in August 2023, I wore a linen midi dress with a light cardigan. I felt comfortable in the afternoon heat, and also not self-conscious entering shrines or upscale cafes. Packing a few modest, breathable outfits helps you stay cool, confident, and respectful. Number 2. Don't forget a portable charger. Japan is one of the most convenient countries in the world, but your phone will drain faster than ever here. Between Google Maps, train timetable apps, translation apps, and taking photos or videos, some travelers report using their screens on and off for 10 to 12 hours per day. That's why a portable charger isn't optional. It's essential. A compact 10,000 mAh power bank fits into your day bag and can charge your phone 2 or 3 times. You can also use services like ChargeSpot. Rentals start at 165 yen for the first 30 minutes, and longer rentals cost around 360 to 540 yen depending on hours. Always check the station's updated pricing in the app before renting. Still, bringing your own power bank usually saves both time and stress. When I traveled during cherry blossom season in 2023, my phone died by 4 p.m. on the first day until I started carrying a power bank. After that, I never left without it. In a country where your phone is often your map, camera, and guide, reliable power is crucial. Number 3. The magic of a foldable shopping bag. Japan has an incredible shopping culture, from 100 yen shops to luxury boutiques. Since 2020, plastic bags at checkout are no longer free. Many stores charge about 3 to 5 yen per bag. If you shop frequently, that adds up. Bring a foldable, reusable bag that packs into a small square and lives in your purse or backpack. I used a Shupato bag daily for groceries, souvenirs, even carrying purchases back from convenience stores. Locals do this too, so you'll blend in nicely. If you forget to bring one, you can buy portable bags at Don Quijote, Loft, convenience stores, or 100 yen shops. But having one from the start saves both money and hassle and helps avoid juggling many plastic bags on trains or narrow sidewalks. Number 4. Compact umbrella. Protection from rain and sun. Japan's weather is unpredictable. The rainy season, Tsuyu, generally hits from mid-June to late July, especially in Honshu and Kyushu. Typhoon season often peaks between August and October, though storms may arrive earlier or later depending on the region. A lightweight umbrella or UV parasol does double duty, protects from rain, and shields you from strong sun, especially in summer months when UV levels can be high. For example, in Tokyo summers, you may face UV index of 8 to 10, very high. If you don't bring one, you'll find umbrellas sold everywhere, from 500 to 1,000 yen for basic models in convenience stores to more durable folding ones at department stores. Just remember to fold the umbrella before entering trains. Keep water drained and avoid dripping umbrellas in enclosed spaces. Number 5. Shoes built for 20,000 steps on heavy sightseeing days. On heavy sightseeing days, many travelers report logging about 15,000 to 20,000 steps when moving between trains, shrines, neighborhoods, and back alley shops. That's significantly more than a normal walking day back home. This makes your shoe choice one of the most important packing decisions. Forget cute but painful shoes. Instead, bring 1 or 2 pairs of well-broken-in shoes, sneakers or supportive sandals, that you already know don't hurt your feet. Neutral colors help match multiple outfits so you don't overpack footwear. From personal experience, during a 6-day trip in Kyoto, I logged about 120,000 steps total. My Adidas Sambas were comfortable, my new flats caused blisters, and I had to buy plasters, bandages at convenience stores to get through the day. On my very first trip to Japan, I overpacked terribly. I brought heavy jeans, multiple handbags, even a bulky camera I never used. By day 3 in Tokyo, I was dragging my suitcase more than enjoying the sights. I ended up buying lighter clothes at Uniqlo, using my phone for all my pictures, and learning to travel with less weight. That experience taught me: pack light, pack smart, leave space for things you'll actually use, and souvenirs you'll want to bring home. Here's what to remember. 1. Modest, breathable clothing to respect culture and stay comfortable. 2. Portable charger or power bank, plus checking options like ChargeSpot. 3. Foldable, reusable bag saves money and plastic bag fees. 4. Compact umbrella, UV parasol, rain and sun protection. 5. Comfortable shoes that can handle long walking days. If this guide helped ease your packing stress, hit subscribe for more Japan travel tips, from hidden cultural etiquette to money-saving hacks in 2025.